Good day children, today I am going to take 10th standard probability. This is 8th chapter in our 10th standard book. Children, you have to use this video class. This is very useful for you. Please make use of it. See, our 8th chapter is probability. Probability is nothing but it is the chance of winning or losing. Either you can win or lose. You have to find the chance used with the help of probability. You can consider any experiments. See here, tossing a coin or rolling a die or selecting a card from the pack of 52 cards. How many cards are there totally? 52 cards. For finding this, we can use this probability. See, next I want to say you one thing, sample space. Sample space is all the possible outcomes. All the possible outcomes. That means, see here, if you are taking a die, or you can take coin. If you toss a coin, what are all the possible outcomes? See, if you are tossing a coin, you will get head or tail. This is our possible outcome. So, all the possible outcome is a sample space. This we can denote it by S. Number of possible outcome, we can denote it by N of S. So, see here, I will take a die itself. If you are tossing a die, what are all the possible outcomes here? See, how many possible outcomes are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you are tossing a coin, you will get the possible outcomes of head and tail. But what is N of S here? One coin you throw panina, you will get our sample spaces. N of S is 2. Only you will get head or tail. Now, what chances are? What is the probability of getting head? What is the probability of getting tail? These are all we will see in the problem. If you throw a die, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only our possible outcome N of S is equal to 6. This is our sample space. N of S is the sample space. Our experiment we can denote it by E. So, probability of E is equal to probability of an event, that is number of favorable outcomes N of E by N of S. This is like formula you have to see. So, for finding the probability of an event, again we have to use this formula only, N of E. This means number of favorable outcomes. Ettana outcomes varum? Ipo oru coin thukki podrom. What is the probability of getting head na nam enna eludhuvom? Only 1. Our sample spaces N of S is total nammaloda sample space enna 2. Ipo head ennumbodhu N of E ethana head namukku kadaikum? Only 1. What is our sample space? 2. So our answer is 1 by 2. This is the probability of an event when we toss a coin. See, suppose if you are tossing 2 coins. See, if you toss one coin, you will get head, tail. Suppose again if you are tossing another coin, head and tail. This is 2 coins. This one coin toss panna, you will get head and tail. Again, another coin toss panna, you will get again head and tail. How you have to write sample space? See here. Our S is equal to, see, easier you have to write like this. So only you won't leave any sample space. Head. Next, head and tail. Next, you have to consider this one, tail head. Next, tail. So, this is our sample space. Our N of S is, what is the total number of sample space here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, our sample space is 4. You can use tree diagram. For the visual representation also, you can use tree diagram. In our book also, one problem is there. You have to use tree diagram and you have to find the sample space. See here, for example, what is the probability of getting 2 heads if we toss a 2 coin? First you have to write the sample space. What is our sample space for tossing 2 coins? See here, you can draw the tree diagram in the rough column also, so that you can easily understand. See, what is our sample space? First we will get head. See here, HH. Next HT. Next TH. TT. This is our sample space. So N of S is equal to, how many outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our total possible outcome is 4. What is our question here? You have to get 2 heads. So in the sample space you have to see what are all the places we are having 2 heads. Only one. This is only 2 heads place. So only one possible outcomes. Suppose I am taking the C. Now let what is the event here? Tossing 2 heads is our event. We have to get 2 heads. So let A be the event of, you can keep any alphabets here, not only A, B, C, D, experiment. Let A be the event of getting 2 heads. See our sample space. Where it is 2 heads are there? Only one. So our N of A, first you write A. What is our A? HH. 2 heads. So N of A is equal to, how many outcomes are here? Only one. So N of A is 1. What is our probability of A? Probability are to denote it by P of A. Probability of A, actually what is our formula? Already I said this. Probability of an event means N of E by N of S. This is total outcomes. This is number of favorable outcomes. Namak kuduthirukka question la vara outcomes da idu. So here only one possible outcomes are here. So N of A by N of S. So N of A is here 1. N of S is our total possible outcomes here is 4. So our answer is 1 by 4. So in exam and all they will ask you, when you toss a 3 coin questions and all they will ask. See, now we will see the 3 coins. See here. See, with the help of tree diagram, I will explain clearly. If you toss 3 coins, see here, if you toss 1 coin, what you will get? Head, tail. Again, if you toss second coin, you will get head, tail. Here also head, tail. If you toss third times, what will come? Head, tail, head, tail. Here also head, tail, head, tail. How we have to write sample space means, see here, our sample space is see, with the help of tree diagram also you can write. See, our sample spaces, for easy understanding what I will do means, you don't see the tree diagram. Easily we can write here. Head, head, head. 3 heads. So, what you have to do? Change this as tail. So that you won't leave any sample space. See, you can easily write. See, if you see the tree diagram, HHH, HHT, you will commit some mistake. So, other than this, you can write with the help of this. In the head, you can write T. Then what you can do? In the T, you can do center HTH. Again, what you can do? Put it in front. THH. These are all the possible sample space. For H க்கு எழுதிட்டோம். Again you can write, see, tail, tail, tail. At the last நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்? You can write H, T, T, H. Then keep it in center and H centerல கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. Then put it in front, H, T, T. So our N of S is equal to 8. When if you toss 3 coin, our sample spaces, number of sample spaces 8. See how they will ask in problem me, what are the probability of getting 3 heads? What are the probability of getting 2 tails? See here, we will see one problem. See, what is the probability of getting, what is the probability of getting 2 tails, 2 consecutive tails, at least 2 tails, at most 1 tail. See, listen all of you, you will think, see, everything is same அப்படினு சொல்லுவீங்க, but not. See, everything is different. What is the probability of getting 2 tails? See, I am considering as A. See our sample space here, when we toss 3 coins, our sample space is N of S is 8. What is the probability of 2 tails? Na inga engalam 2 tails irukunu eludum. What is, where is here? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So our A is TTH, THT, HTT. So what is N of A? See inga parunga, how many tails are here? 2 tails. So our N of A is 3. What is our probability P of A? What is the formula? N of A by N of S. Number of favorable outcomes by number of sample space. Here how many outcomes are here? 3. So 3 by, our total sample space is 8. So 3 by 8. This is for 2 tails. Next one. Two consecutive tails. 2 tails is different from 2 consecutive tails. 2 tails na இந்த tails எங்க வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். 2 consecutive tails means அடுத்தடுத்து இருக்கணும். Next, see. See, 2 consecutive tails. See our sample space. Consecutive na அடுத்தடுத்து இருக்கிற tails ஏதோ அதை மட்டும் தான் எழுதணும். You have to write that alone. See here, where is the 2 consecutive tails? This one. பக்கத்துல இருக்கணும் tails. Here also அங்க 3 இருந்தாலும் here you are having 2 tails. பக்கத்துல இருக்கு. So this is also our sample space. அப்புறம் வேற எங்க இருக்கு? Here. Consecutive na அந்த பக்கத்துல இருக்க tails தான் எழுதணும். You should not write. See, 2 tails தானே, அப்ப இது எழுதலாமா? This one you should not write. This is not consecutive. So see, I am going to keep it as B. B nu vechuko. What is our sample space? TTT, TTH, HTT. So our N of B is, how many sample spaces are here? 3. What is the probability of B? N of B by N of S. So 3 by, what is our total sample space? 8. So our answer is 3 by 8. Next we have to find for at least 2 tails. Here, see, see, next one is at least 2 tails. At least 2 tails means, see here, குறைஞ்சபட்சம் 2 இருக்கலாம், அதுக்கு மேல எத்தனை வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். So that means 2 or 3. Okay, so I am going to consider as C ன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. So you have to see here 2 tails, then you have to see for 3 tails also. So எங்கெல்லாம் 2 tails இருக்கோ அதையும் எழுதணும். Then we have to write 3 tails also. So this one, this one, this one, this one. So our C is TTT, then TTH, THT, HTT. This is our sample space, at least 2 tails. So our N of C is equal to 3. So P of C is equal to N of C by N of S. That is equal to 3 by 8. This is for at least. Suppose it is at most, see here. At most 2 tails means அதிகபட்சம் 2 தான் இருக்கும். அப்ப that means 1 tail, 2 1 0, no tail. This is our sample space. That means என்னெல்லாம் எழுதலாம்? See here 2 tails, TTH, THT, HTT. Then you have to write 1 tail also. அப்ப வேற எங்கெல்லாம் இருக்கு 1 tail னு பாருங்க. HHT, HTH, THH. So 2 tail, 1 tail. Next 0 means tail irukka koodadu. That means you have to write all the 3 heads. HHH. Correct? So this is our sample space. So what is our N of S? N of S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So N of C is 7. So what is the probability of an event? N of C by N of S. 7 by S. In exam point of view, they will often ask this. In order to confuse you, at least, at most, confuse பண்றதுக்காக often they will ask this question only. Next, we are going to see about rolling a die. See here, if you roll a single die, what are all the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, our sample space S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is our N of S? How many outcomes are here? 6 outcomes. So N of S is 6. If you roll a single die, if you roll 2 dice, our possible outcomes is, see here, for single die what we will write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you roll a 2 dice, our possible outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also, these are all the possible outcomes if you roll 2 dice. For 4 also, this is our possible outcomes. How we have to write? See here, our sample space S is equal to, see, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next you have to write it for 2, number 2. So 2, 1, 2, 2. Next 2, 3. 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next for the number 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. So 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Like this you have to write it for 4, 5. Then our last sample space is 6. So 6, 1. See here, count here, what is our N of S? What is the total number of outcomes here? 4, 5, 4, 6. Next, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At last, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So, our N of S, how many sample space here? Totally 36. This is if you roll a 2 dice. For single dice you got 6. For 2 dice 36. For 3 die, see 6 into 6 into 6, 216. This is for 3 dice, n of s. Okay. Now we will see it in problem. See here. If you roll a single die, a die is thrown. What is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting even number? First you write our sample space. What is our sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First you have to see here. A die is thrown once or twice or 2 dice are thrown. And the questions you have to see that. Then you have to write our sample space. Here a die is thrown once. See, once. That means you have to write our sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our n of s is 6. Next our question is, see here. Only you have to write even number. What are all the even numbers here? 2, 4, 6. What is in the even number? Number which is divisible by 2. You have to write as even number. So 2, 4, 6. This is our even number. So our n of a is equal to, how many outcomes are here? 1, 2, 3. So P of a, probability of an event is n of a by n of s. That means 6 by n of a is 3. N of s is 6. 3 by 6. You can cancel. 1 by 2. This is for tossing a die. If you throw a single die, our probability of getting even number, our answer is 1 by 2. Next, see here. See, what is the probability of getting odd numbers? See, suppose B is our odd number. What is our B? What are all the odd numbers here? See our sample space. Odd number is 1, 3, 5. So, this is our possible outcomes. So, n of B is equal to 3. What is the probability of B getting odd numbers? N of B by n of s. Here n of B is 3. Our total sample space is here 6. So 3 by 6. If you cancel, you will get 1 by 2. This is the answer. Next. Next our question is, see here. A die is thrown twice. இப்படியும் கேட்கலாம், or 2 dice are thrown. இப்படியும் question கேட்கலாம். What is the probability of getting a doublet? Next, sum as prime number. Third one, product of even number. Next, sum greater than 12. See here, what is the sample space for? A die is thrown twice. That means our sample space is, this is twice. So our sample space is n of s is 36. Okay, see our first question is doublet. Doublet means you have to get the same number 2 times. See, இப்போ ஒரு டை தூக்கி போட்டால் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? சேம் நம்பர் 1 1 2 2 3 3. தட் இஸ் ஒன்லி டப்லெட். ஸோ சி ஹியர் அவர் சாம்பிள் ஸ்பேஸ். இங்கே எங்கெல்லாம் டப்லெட்ஸ் இருக்குது பாருங்கள். 1 1 2 2 3 3. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 4 4 5 5 6 6. This is our doublet. So our A is 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. So what is n of a? How many possible outcomes are here? எத்தனை இருக்கு? 6. So P of a is, what is our probability of an event formula? n of a by n of s. So 6 by, here 2 dice, so our sample space n of s is 36. So 6 by 36, you can cancel this, 1 by 6. This is the answer for this subdivision. Next we are going to see about sum as prime number. That means I am going to consider this event as B. The experiment is B. Sum as prime number means, see, our sample space, if we add both, you have to get prime number. What are all the prime numbers you know? First, what is mean by prime number? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself. One table otherwise other table prime number. That means, see, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. See here, take 2 or 3. Which table it will come? One table otherwise 2 table or 3 table. That is only a prime number. Sum as prime number, you have to add our sample space. And the outcomes add panni our answer 2 are. See here. 1, 1. If you add this, you will get 1 plus 1 is 2. Next you can write 1, 2. Add panni paranga, you will get 3. Next, what is our sample space here? 1, 4. If you add this, you will get 5. Next, 1, 6. And the first row avladha. Let's all. Next, you take 2. 2 la enna varum? 2, 1. 2, 3. Add panni paranga. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, 2, 5. That's all. 2, 6 won't come. Yeah, if you add this, you will get what? Even number. 2 plus 6 is 8. So, but here our question is prime number. So, you should not write 2, 6. 2, 6 varakodadu. Neenga add pannina, you will get 8. That is the even number. Next one. Next you can write 3, 2. Next 3, 4. Next enna ezhudala? 3, 5 varadu. If you add that, you will get 8. 3, 6 is 9. It also won't come. Next 4, 4, 1. Next 4, 3. 4, 3 add pannina, you will get 7. Next 4, 4 varadu, 5 varadu. Next 4, 6 also won't come. 4 plus 6 is 10. So next you take next row. Fifth one vandrunga. What is 5, 1? 6 side. Next you take 5, 2. Next 5, 4 varadu, 5 varadu. You can get 6. 5, 6 is 11. So next you take last row, 6, 1. Like this, one by one you have to find. You it will go wrong. So next one is 6. At last element is 6, 5. That's all. This is sum as prime number. If you add everything, you will get only the prime number. This is our sample space. See, our sample space for sum as prime number is 1, 1, 1, 2. I wrote all the sample space here. Here you count and write how many sample space are here. Totally 15. So our n of b is 15. What is our probability of an event? Our formula is n of b by n of s. So 15 by, what is our sample space for tossing? For rolling a 2 die, our sample space is 36. So 15 by 36. Our next subdivision is product of even number. If you multiply our sample space, you have to get even number. See, you have to, in the exam and all, you have to see whether they have asked sum or product. That you have to check it and you have to answer it. See, I am going to keep it as C. If you multiply, you have to get even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are all the even numbers. See what will come? 1, 2. See, you multiply and write here 1, 2 is 2. You should not write 1, 1. That is 1. That is odd number. Okay. 1, 2. Next, what is our sample space? 1, 4. Next, you can write 1, 6. Now, you have to consider second row. That is 2, 1. Next, you can write 2, 2. Here you can write 2, 2s are 4. Next, 2, 3. 2, 4. 2, 5. In second row, fourth row, sixth row, you can write all the elements. Because if you multiply, you will get only even number. See here. Here also, if you multiply all the elements, you will get even number. For sixth row also, if you multiply both, you will get only even number. So, you can write all the elements here. So, in third row, you will write 3, 2. Next, 3, 4. Next, 3, 6. In fourth row, write all the elements 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. So that if you multiply, you get only even numbers. 2, 6. So 4, 5, 4, 6. Next in fifth row, you can write only 5, 2, 5, 4. Next 5, 6. These are all the even numbers. In last row, you have to write all the sample space 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. That's all. So what is our n of c? You have to count all the elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 27. So our n of c is equal to 27. What is our probability of getting sum as greater than, product as even number? N of c by n of s. So here our n of c is 27, our n of s is 36. This is the answer for third subdivision. What is our fourth subdivision? Sum as greater than 12. That means if you add the sample space, you have to get greater than 12. See here, you it lesser than 12. Our last set of the event 6, 6. If you add this 12, greater than 12, so I am going to keep it as d. N of d is equal to 0. So probability of d is also 0. You should not put null set. Null set போட்டு 0 போட்டிங்கன்னா this is wrong. ஏன்னா அதுக்குள்ள ஒரு element இருக்குன்னு meaning ஆயிடும். So you should not write like this. So P of D is equal to 0. Thank you.